So hello friends, in this video we are going to learn quickly about interplanar spacing and how to calculate interplanar spacing. So here you can see we have a plane ABC, okay, A, B and C. So what are the intercepts the points A, B and C make with the axis? So those are PA, QB and RC, okay. So now what you do from this origin O, okay, you draw the perpendicular, you draw a perpendicular to the plane, okay. So a perpendicular is drawn to the plane and so such that this perpendicular ON makes an angle of alpha with the x-axis, okay, which is shown here clearly. Perpendicular makes an angle alpha with the x-axis. The perpendicular ON makes an angle beta with the y-axis and gamma with the z-axis. Okay, so this angle all the way up to here is the gamma angle. Okay, this is the alpha angle, and this is the up to here it is the beta angle. Okay. So we have to find the interplanar spacing. So what is interplanar spacing? Basically the distance ON, okay, ON, the perpendicular which is drawn from the origin of the coordinate system to the plane. So that is the interplanar spacing. Suppose it is denoted by D. Now, in order to calculate interplanar spacing, we have to take help from the direction cosines. So what is the relation of this direction cosine? So cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equal to 1. Okay. So we have to individually find the angle cos alpha, cos beta, and cos gamma. So cos alpha, what is cos alpha? From the figure, cos alpha is equal to cos alpha is equal to ON divided by OA. Okay, from this figure, this is the alpha angle. Okay, so ON divided by OA. Okay. So now what is ON? ON is the D1, which is the interplanar spacing, D1, okay, divided by OA. OA, what is OA? OA is PA, the intercept, or in other words, it is A by H, okay. H is one of the Miller indices. So now what is cos beta? Similarly, cos beta is equal to your again ON divided by beta is this angle, okay, this angle, this is beta, that is ON divided by again ON divided by OB, okay, OB. So ON, what is ON? ON is D1 and OB. What is OB? OB is QB, so it's Miller index. In terms of Miller index, that will be B over K. Okay. Similarly, cos gamma, what is the value of cos gamma? That will be ON divided by OC. ON by OC. So ON is again D1 and C is RC. RC means the inverse will be C by L. Okay. So where H, K, and L are the Miller indices. So now substitute these values of cos alpha, cos beta, and cos gamma in this equation. Okay, in this equation, and let us see what we get. I am showing the calculation here. Just give me a moment. Okay. Okay, so this picture is moving around. Okay, I can show this calculation here. Okay. So cos square alpha is D1 over a by h whole square plus d1 by b by k whole square plus q1 by c by l whole square equal to 1. Okay, so now this is c by l. Okay, this is l. So now find the d1 value from here. Okay, we will not immediately get d1, but what we get is we'll get d1 square. D1 square is will be your h square by a square plus your okay, d1 can be taken common. So k square by b square plus it will be l square by c square equal to 1. So what will be d1 square? D1 square will be 1 divided by h square by a square plus k square by b square plus l square by c square. Okay. So what will be d1? Just I'm writing here. Just d1. D1 will be 1 divided by, okay, this is equal to symbol, but it will be 1 divided by h square plus a square plus k square plus b square plus l square by c square. So I hope you have understood how to find the value of d1. So d1 is equal to 1 over square root of h square by a square plus k square by b square plus l square by c square is the required expression for the interplanar spacing. Okay.